Truth hurts when you ain't ready. Growth leads you somewhere better. So take your time, relax your mind. It's alright, yeah. It's alright, yeah. It's alright, yeah.
Hi loves, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, hi. My name is Angel Okoli. Please do well to subscribe to my channel so you can become a part of the family. Okay, so guys, I know I've been talking about starting a series on this channel and the day is finally here. I think I'm almost ready. My bags are packed. So I have a couple of stuff here for the shoot. So I'll be heading down to my sister's house because they're going to assist me for the shoot. I'll just carry you guys along, basically, just show you everything I'm going to do in preparing for the shoot, how the shoot is going to go down, location that we're going to be using, and whatnot. Yes, let me show you guys this thing. So did you guys know that all the while I've been recording videos, I've never used lights for any of my video? And the funny thing is I've always had lights. So yeah, I've always had this light, and this time around I am going to be trying it out. So this is going with me. So I just want you guys to know that there's a whole lot that's going to be happening on this channel, like a whole lot of fun things and creative things and everything. I'm trying to take this channel to a whole lot, like a whole bigger level. So I just hope that you guys would share my channel with your friends. You know, we already hit 500 subscribers, so let's get to 1,000 and let's shoot for the sky. 10,000, 20,000. Let's just keep shooting. So please share my channel with your family, your friends, and everybody that you know.
I'm just calling to say I am so troubled by the soul of mine. I've said those words so many times. I need you in this life. I need you in this life. I am so troubled by the soul of mine.
I feel like this makeup is weird. I'm back to my default setting for my makeup. I think I need to go and take makeup classes again because, guys. So guys, I'm getting ready to go have a shoot. Very soon, it's going to be glam team. No longer me doing my makeup. I'm going to have a glam team doing makeup and all that. At least for now, we already have a fashion designer. So shout out to Zeal Stylitude. She styled me for this particular shoot I'm about to go have right now. So yeah, shout out. You guys should go follow her on Instagram. I'll attach a link on the description box below. I'll attach a link to her bio on Instagram so you guys can hit her up. She's really good, very creative, and very cost friendly. So yeah, she makes amazing outfits. Does it look like it's dried? It's not dried yet. To my crew members. Hi crew members. Camera woman.
I've said those words so many times. I need you in this life.
So we are looking for The perfect place for our shoot. She's so desperate to look for a chair.
It's looking like this is a wrong. Do you think we made a wrong decision?
Here?
Yes, choosing this location. Let's go back to that place. No, no, don't video it here. Shoot is officially over.
We are hungry. We are going home.
Yes, and it's about to rain.
Yeah.
And I'm using front camera, so it's a bit blur, right? But we are done with the shoot for the new series coming up on my channel, so you guys should stay tuned and watch out for that. So these are my babies. Thank you guys for today. I couldn't have done this without you guys. So home we go. So tell them, no other subscribe, hit the episode.
Oh yeah, please, it's very, very important that you hit that subscribe button and please hit that bell. It's very, very important that each time she posts, you have to see it because you will not regret it. Hit that button, hit that button, hit that button right now. Now. Go and hit it.
Subscribe, guys.
Subscribe,
We
please.
really need it, guys.
My younger sister decided to help me complete the logo for the new series coming up on my channel. She's good with everything graphics. She even does 3D animations too, and she also does website designing. So I would put her contact on the description box below, so if you want her, you can always link up with her. She works with you no matter your location, okay, and she's extremely patient.
Hey guys, good morning. I am finally back to my house. I don't think I've vlogged since after I did the shoot I had the other day. So yes. Anyways, I'm back to my house and it's Monday. It's a Monday morning. I'm about to reset my room again. I don't know what's going on with me, but I just feel like there's something I'm looking for with this room and I still haven't been able to figure it out. So this time around something came to my head and I'm like, okay, maybe we should try that. So that is something I'll probably do today or tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. It depends on when I come back from my appointments because I'm going all the way to VI, so it's going to be a long day, Lagos traffic and all that. So if I don't get back on time today, then I'm definitely going to do the reset tomorrow. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Hey, it's me.
Hey guys, so I'm so sorry this is dark, but I really wanted to do this today. So I just got back from work now and I feel like I still have a little bit of time on my hands, so I want to quickly do the room reset. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to vlog about the process of resetting this space, but I'm just going to show you guys the before and after. I should have done this yesterday, but somehow I came home, I was really tired because from the appointment I went down to the market to get stuff to cook. I'm sure you guys saw my okra soup. So yes, I couldn't do that again yesterday, so which is the main reason why I'm doing it today. So I'm just glad I came back from work early. Okay, so let me just quickly show you guys the before and then I'll show you the after when I'm done. Okay, so stay with me guys. This is what it currently looks like. I did this reset I think in February, so it's barely a month, or let's just say a month ago. Wow. And I'm about to do another reset. I'm so obsessed with resetting houses. Hey guys, good morning. So I woke up feeling really good today. Okay, let me quickly do this first. Guys, the way my lips dry out these days, I can't even explain it. It's so annoying. So guys, I finally did the reset yesterday. It was a lot. I still don't know how I managed to actually move things around this house. Right now my bed is back to default setting. It's back to where it was before. So I'm just quickly going to show you guys what it looks like right now. Okay, this is what it looks like. The shoe rack did not move an inch. So I just moved the bed
where it was and took it to the other side, and then chest drawer to the side. Just something like that. So yeah, I think this works for now. Hi guys. Hi guys. What's with the hi guys? I feel like for every time I pick up my camera, the first thing I'm saying is hi guys. Hi guys. Anyway, so I'm all dressed up and I am leaving my house right now. I'm currently heading to my sister's house. So my little nephews are around and I'm so excited to see them. So yeah, I think the last time I saw them was in December. Today is Wednesday, so I'm going to be there till I think Sunday. I'll come back to my house on Sunday. So yes, and I want to end this vlog here. So before I end this vlog, I know I was supposed to show you guys like the reset I did, but guys, it turned out almost the same thing. Like it's basically almost the same thing. The only difference is the fact that this chest drawer wasn't here. The chest drawer was here and the bed was here. So I just like switched it. You get, and then the shoe rack is still in its previous position. So yeah, nothing much actually changed. Nothing much actually changed. So I just thought about it. I'm like, okay, so I don't think I need to show you guys the finished product because one is almost the same thing. Oh, and two, my bedspread. The dry cleaners decided not to come out today, so I couldn't pick up my bedspread. So my bed is like bare right now. So yeah, I just realized that this room has actually been bare for the longest of time. So maybe that thing that I've been looking for, that's been making me recess the whole room almost every time, is the fact that I need to just spice it up a little bit and add a little bit more decoration, right? So me and my sister were talking about it, and this idea that we came up with just makes a whole lot of sense. I'm just going to add some sort of what do you call it, wall frames and artificial flowers, a whole lot of things, sha. So yeah, I would sort that out when I can afford it. For now, there's so many things I need to do with money. So yeah, so that's it guys, that's it. The room is basically the same thing. Even though I like this particular result right now, I like it because I can comfortably film for YouTube and Instagram and maybe TikTok too. You can follow me up on Instagram. My handle will be displayed on the screen, and you can also follow me on TikTok. So yeah, I need to get going. I am a little bit nervous because I have a lot that I want to do. There's a whole lot that I want to do on this channel, and I am so scared. I don't know, like in my head I'm like, is it going to work, is it not going to work? But then a wise man once said, I don't know the wise man, but anyways, there's a saying that if your dreams don't scare you, then the dreams are not big enough. So I'm like, oh okay, my dreams are really big, so maybe it's big enough. Anyways, one more thing, I was a little bit more intentional about the color and quality of this vlog. I think I focused more on lighting and everything. So I don't know what you guys think. For those of you that have been watching my channel for a while now, please let me know what you think about the quality of this vlog. I would like to hear your feedback. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you need to subscribe right now. Just hit the subscribe button, okay? But guys, really, if you're watching my channel right now, if you're watching this video right now and you haven't subscribed, please do well to hit the subscribe button, and then also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and drop a comment. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next vlog.